Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2018 Kia Sportage EX. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a backup camera, got a nice little window wiper, spoiler, we got roof rails with crossbars as well, mud flaps on the rear as well as the front, turn light indicator mirrors, you got the all-wheel drive emblem right there, and moving to the front we have a license plate bracket and that nice Kia grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do get tons of storage space. You got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, lights so you can see your stuff, and you do get quite a bit more storage with your spare tire, and you can collapse a row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, you got 12-volt rear vents, floor mats, carpet interior, you got little cargo nets on the back of the seats, cup holders, and storage, and you can adjust your seats from just right there, and you do get cup holders and arm space if you don't need that 5th additional person. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, lights and traction all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 158,950 kilometers. We do have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, got your toggle for your screen, cruise control, all that, the Kia logo, phone, volume, voice, mode, and all that fun stuff. And going for our screen here, we do have our radio, maintenance, your settings for the vehicle, convenience, fuel range, trip A, trip B, digital speedometer, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our gear select. You got our drive modes, which do include Eco, Sport, and Normal. You got Hill, your locking, cup holders, more storage, tons of storage here with 12 volts, aux, and a USB. Got a leather-wrapped center console with even more storage. Heated front seats with dual climate. Engine start, you have your radio, media, phone, seek track, apps, all that jazz, and storage below. Infotainment system with your audio, you can connect the phone. You got your all menus, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, quick guide. You got your climate controls up here as well. It's currently off, but you get the point. We're gonna go back here. We got our phone, Sirius XM, voice commands, all that jazz. My menu. You can put any apps in there, apps or any apps you downloaded. Your climate controls also right there as well. You can connect your phone, and you get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7916, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.